Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Today, I would like to discuss whether our daily exercise and daily food, what we eat, really matters in success of our life. For better decisions, is it going to affect their decisions or not? Daily exercise and daily food really matters for your successful life, for your happy life, and to become a best variant of yourself, what if you really want to be. So the relationship between exercise scientifically and the food what we eat really matters a lot in our life. If I take the example of calories, what daily our brain consume is the brain basically use 1/5 of the calories whatever we eat daily, 1/5 of the calories, and the brain makes up 1/50th of our body mass. It means whatever we do have a body mass of ourselves right now, 1/50th is a mass of our brain. It is so less, but it is consuming so many calories right for thinking and for better decisions. If your brain is using so much energy for your better decisions, we need to focus on our food and exercise as well, because our food and exercise is going to regulate our calories. Most of our conscious activity is happening in our prefrontal cortex of our brain, that is responsible for focus, handling short-term memory, solving our problems, and moderating impulse control in our whole body. It's really the heart of what makes us human beings and differentiating us from other animals, and it is really the center for our executive control and willpower. We are talking about daily on willpower and our external environment. If I would like to tell you a very interesting fact, that the last in and first out theory is very much at work inside our head. We have heard many times about this. The most recent parts of our brain to develop are the first to suffer if there is a shortage of resources. Older parts of brain are developed areas of the brain, such as those that regulate our lungs, our breathing system, and our nerve responses, get first helping from our bloodstream and are virtually unaffected if we decide to skip a meal. The prefrontal cortex of our brain, on the other hand, feels the impact. If we are short of one meal, the prefrontal cortex of our brain will be affected. Unfortunately, being the relatively young in terms of human development, it is the runt of the litter come feeding time. So, in fact, our brain is using more energy as compared to rest of the body. The studies have shown that willpower is a mental muscle that doesn't bounce back quickly. So willpower is a strong muscle. But if you imply it for one task, remember it is a scientifically proved thing. There will be less power available for the next any job unless you refuel your willpower. To do our best, we literally have to feed our brain. We have to have good feed. We have to have daily exercise, at least cardio-muscular exercise for 1 hour. Cardio exercise is very important for any successful person in this world. if you want to have a happy life, if you want to have a positive mood, you need to have at least 1 hour daily cardio exercise. That will regulate your other hormones, that will make you happy, positive, for having more energy for quality decisions. If your decisions are not quality decisions, then you will live with those bad decisions. So for good decisions, you need to have good food and daily exercise, which gives new credence to the old sa. I mean, the food for your thoughts. Foods that elevate blood sugar evenly over long periods, like complex carbohydrates and proteins, become the fuel of choice for the good and big achievers. Please remember this thing. With exercise, we need carbohydrates and proteins as well. It will make you the person you want to be in your life. You make it a habit. You need to have daily exercise at least for 1 hour, and a good food for your cardio and other body parts of yourself. So a good food and daily exercise make you the person you want to be in your life, and a successful person, a best variant of yourself. Please adopt it right now. Stop blaming others. Work on yourself. When you will stop blaming others, stop blaming your friends, stop blaming on government, stop blaming on your organization, and so on. The moment you stop blaming others, you become a different person from the previous person. Please stop it blaming others. Work on yourself. Make good friends to become a best variant of yourself, to become a successful person of the era. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.